Hello fellas, today we are going to react to one of the interval fight scenes that is from the movie Mankata, starring Talaji, and it was requested to me by Abhinas FDO. Okay, he tells me that please react to Mankata interval scene from Arjit's movie so many times. I asked him. See, I have told you this in the reply, and I'm also going to tell the people who are watching this video that shooting, editing and uploading takes time. Okay, sometimes the internet speed is low, sometimes shooting is not done properly. I have to edit it. It takes a little bit time. Okay, it's not like you just tell me it happens and I upload it. No, everything takes time. Okay, just have patience, and you have told me I will surely do it if YouTube does not let me out from the copyright claims. So don't worry, once you have done it, I would absolutely do it without you telling it again. Just give me some time. Okay. So my hair wasn't looking good actually. So okay, so I'll start this particular fight scene, interval fight scene from the movie Mankata, starring Talaji. But before ending the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Also, links to the Instagram and Twitter are in the description below if you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback. I would love to hear from you guys. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday. And I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday will be comedy reaction, comedy routine or comedy scene or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood or Telugu or Malayalam or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. So without further ado,
அதெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லை சார். போலீஸ் சீஸ் பண்ண ட்ரக்ஸை இவன் தான் எடுத்து வித்தானே, இவன் மேலே கேஸ் ஃபைல்.
Game plan. So this was the Mankata entry scene of Mr. Talaji. Music was cut in between, so my whole focus went over there. It might be because of the copyright issue. That's the reason they have cut the voice in the between, and then they make it up. So a lot of things which we have to take care of it when it comes to copyright claims, because once it goes up, it takes a really great while to just take it out. And sometimes the people who issue the copyright claim, they don't take it out. They think it's valid, and we just have to take out the video from that. So if this particular video is out, I have to take out, it might be available on the Patreon if you want to see my reaction to it. So do come over there, and please do the needful. Also, this was a particular fight scene which I guess the guy must be a particular important witness which needs to be protected, and the rest of the police and the goons were hired to just kill him, so that the saboot should be deleted, erased from the court of law, and nothing should be proved. This was the thing, and so this was the reaction. I hope you liked it. Same point of time, I would like to request you please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Also, links to the Instagram and Twitter in the description below if you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback. I would love to hear from you guys. So until next trailer, next reaction, next review, I would request you to